Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Willmaker 2023 is probably one of the most important software you will ever use, ensuring your wishes are carried out after you are gone. This video will provide an in-depth review of this software, helping you understand its features, ease of use, and whether it's the right choice for your will-making needs. Number 5. Quicken Willmaker and Trust 2020. It's never too early to plan for the future. This comprehensive kit makes it easy to create legally sound documents that protect your loved ones. The intuitive software walks you through each step, ensuring you create accurate and up-to-date documents. No legal experience is needed. It helps you create essential legal documents, including a will, living trust, and power of attorney. Secure your family's financial future. It provides you with the necessary legal guidance to make informed decisions. It's like having a legal expert by your side. With it, you can rest easy knowing your wishes are documented and your loved ones are protected. It simplifies a complex process. This kit empowers you to safeguard your family's financial well-being and ensure a smooth transition of your assets. Plan for the unexpected with confidence. What we like. It's a comprehensive kit including a book and software, providing various legal forms to cover your estate planning needs. If you prefer a hands-on approach with a physical guide, and want to save money on lawyers' fees, this is a great option for you. It's perfect for those who want a mix of physical and digital resources for their estate planning. What people say. With this product, but it turned out to be perfect. The step-by-step online was excellent. I've had 3 wills drafted by 2 different attorneys over the years and 1 Willmaker. This is by far the easiest to read and most complete. Instead of being asked 10 to 20 questions and expected to answer on the spot, I like the much more complete questions and options and the ability to think it over and change answers if needed. The first time I used Willmaker, I checked it out from the library. Now, 2 to 3 years later, things have changed and I think it's well worth it to buy it. This is the Plus Willmaker and includes the ability to make trusts. Once I entered my password, they had updates for my state and it was totally worth buying and saving all the high cost of using attorneys ready to grab up the high cost of making a trust and will. Number 4. Quicken Willmaker and Trust 2024. It's your choice. Install it from the CD, download it to your Windows or Mac computer, or access it online. It's that simple to get started. Whether you're just beginning or updating existing arrangements, this software guides you through the entire process, providing helpful legal information every step of the way. This legal document lets you decide who inherits your property and who cares for your children, if necessary. Without one, state law makes these decisions. Like a will, it distributes your property after you die, but unlike a will, it avoids probate court, saving your loved ones time and money. It includes many helpful forms for various situations, such as childcare agreements, authorization to drive, house-sitting instructions, and more. Transfer your home to your beneficiaries upon your death without probate. You retain ownership until then and can easily revoke or update it. These directives outline your wishes for medical care and name someone to make decisions for you if you can't. It provides peace of mind for you and your family. What we like. This software offers an easy-to-use interface with multiple access options, CD, download, or online. If you value convenience and flexibility in accessing your estate planning documents, this is the choice for you. It's suitable for anyone who wants a straightforward and accessible way to create legally binding documents. What people say. What I like about this program is it walks you through the process of making a will and how you wish your property to be divided and who will take control of your house, cars, in my case my farm equipment. It's comforting to know that the software generates documents that meet all of the requirements of the particular state you live in, so the documents I created are legally correct and should be accepted by all city, county, and state entities upon my death. This seems to have everything I need. It took me a bit, on an older computer, to get it loaded, but after that it was a simple fill-in-the-blank setup and included things that I wouldn't have thought of to get together. It helped us realize what a pain it would be for someone else if we passed away and didn't have documents and contact info put together somewhere. It also helped us to consider who would be our beneficiaries and who would be good to manage certain things. This then helped us to initiate conversations with our children on some of these big issues. Once the questions were filled in, the program created legal documents with the information I had filled in. Number 3. Peace of Mind Planner. It's never too early to start planning for the future. This planner helps you organize important information, ensuring your wishes are known and your affairs are in order. Keep track of your valuable possessions. It provides a safe and convenient place to record details about everything you own, making it easy to find what you need. This planner helps you manage your business affairs efficiently. It provides a structured way to document important business information, ensuring continuity and peace of mind. Clearly express your wishes for the future. It allows you to record your desires and preferences, providing clarity for your loved ones. Give your family peace of mind. It simplifies the process of managing your affairs, reducing stress and uncertainty during challenging times. This planner helps you secure your legacy. It's a valuable tool for preserving your memories and ensuring your wishes are carried out. What we like. It helps you organize important information about your belongings, business affairs, and wishes. If you need a simple way to document your assets and preferences, this is a good starting point. It's ideal for those who want a clear record of their possessions and instructions for their loved ones. What people say. The categories are well organized, and the fields are concise and clearly worded. The lines are wide-spaced and there's plenty of room for the user to add a lot of notes. This book addresses things that I had never thought of. Information that my family may need, not only after I'm gone, but now as well. My medical history, location of documents, friends and contacts, accounts, passwords, last wishes, family history, so much. No matter your age, every adult should have a legacy planner to convey their wishes. But it's a very daunting task to sit down and list everything out when there's so much to consider. This planner lays everything out plainly and is very thorough without feeling overwhelming. Each section has tabs to quickly flip to, and it doesn't feel so intimidating to complete, since you can write in each section at your own pace or as it applies to you. Number 2. Permacharts Liberty Legal Forms. Planning for the future can be challenging. These easy-to-use forms help you clearly express your wishes regarding your estate and loved ones. With fill-in-the-blank simplicity, it guides you step by step through the process. It's designed to be straightforward and understandable. The package includes 2 last will and testament forms, a step-by-step instruction sheet, and a handy quick reference guide. Everything you need is right here. It ensures your wishes are legally documented and followed. This provides peace of mind knowing your affairs are in order. Avoid expensive lawyer fees with these do-it-yourself legal forms. It's a cost-effective solution for creating a legally sound last will and testament. These forms are legally valid in all states. However, remember to check your state-specific requirements for witnesses or notarization. What we like. It provides fill-in-the-blank forms for your last will and testament, ensuring your wishes are legally sound in the USA. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, straightforward solution to create a will, and prefer a simple, paper-based approach, this is a good option. It's best for those who want a quick and easy way to create a basic will. What people say. Easy to follow. Fill in the blanks. Comes with 1 copy showing lines filled in and 2 blank copies to make a finished product. This form in particular has a spot to have 3 witnesses sign it. Number 1. Do-it-yourself will kit, multi. Planning for the future can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. This kit provides a simple and straightforward way to create your own will. With clear instructions and helpful guides, you'll be able to complete your will with confidence, even if you've never done it before. It covers all the essential aspects of will creation, ensuring your wishes are documented accurately and legally. Avoid expensive legal fees by creating your own will from the comfort of your home. It's a cost-effective solution for your peace of mind. Knowing your affairs are in order brings a sense of relief and security. It allows you to focus on what matters most. This kit empowers you to protect your loved ones and ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. It's a simple way to secure your legacy. What we like. It's an affordable DIY kit that offers a multi-purpose approach to estate planning. If you're on a budget and prefer a do-it-yourself approach, this kit provides a convenient and cost-effective solution. It's suitable for those who want a simple and affordable way to handle their estate planning. What people say. It contains several pages for every need, where it is for willing for one person, or several people, Just fill in the names and what you want to will to those you love, and have it notarized with your signature, has also a section for 2 witness. Easy and complete for me. Very detailed and easy to use. Clear and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.